Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So shall I carry on with the same very verse? We can go through the whole ayah, one part of the ayah, which has many nahwi fawaid. Okay? The first is Alam yaraw kam ahlakna min qablihim min qarnin makkannahu fil ard ma lam numakkin lakum. There's quite a few things in here I want to discuss. The first is Hamza al-Istifham. There's nothing in there. Lam is a fa'lun jazim, and yaraw is to see. Now, the word yara, ra'a, yara, ru'yatan, it has what? Two meanings. Correct? So, ra'a, you can say it can be here, it can mean basar, ra'il basar, meaning ra'aytu, I saw the pen, look at my eyes, I can see it. I saw the book. And ra'a can also have the meaning of, alima. Like to know, like to think, to know. Because when you see, what happens when you see something, you know about it. So for example, let's answer a question: did you not see how many people we destroyed before you? We never saw them, did we? We know about them. So because this is a bit of majaz as well, sabab. So the word ra'a is used in the meaning of alima. So for example, the example of the first one will be what? Ra'aytu qalaman. I just saw a pen, basically. I saw it. Khalas. And another one the alima ay. You say, for example, Ra'aytu Allah akbara kulli shay. Akbara kulli shay'in. So here, I see Allah to be bigger than everything. No, it means what? I know of Allah to be bigger than everything. So in here, the ra'aytu is a fa'al, and lafz al-jalal is maf'ul bihi awwal, and akbar kulli shay is maf'ul bihi thanin. Are you with me? Everybody following? Now, in here, what is this referring? What meaning is this in basar or ilm? This is the meaning of ilm. Do you not know? So the see meaning, do you not know? It's not about seeing, but knowing, because obviously, when Allah is speaking to these people, they do not see how many people we destroyed before. It means they do not know about them. Correct? So when it is ra'a in the meaning of basar, it has how many maf'uls? No, to see. Maf'ulun muta'addin ila maf'ulin. And this has how many maf'uls? That's not spelled right. Maf'ul lain. Because here you have, I know Allah to be what? Bigger than everything. That has two maf'uls. So if it's a basar, to see with your eyes, the ayn, then it has one maf'ul. And if it's a matter to think, to understand, it has what now? Maf'ulain. Correct? So what happens now? We would say now, but can you see any maf'ul? This whole sentence is what? Is what? Is called? Is a maf'ul? Is a maf'ul. But is it one maf'ul or it's only one thing, isn't it? Are you following? So this is yara in the meaning of to know. So it has how many maf'uls? Two. So what will happen here? You say jumlatu kam ahlakna. The sentence of kam ahlakna, what do you say? Sadda masaddal maf'ulain. What is sadda? Sadda and sadda to block. Like for example, if you say that the drain is blocked, you say what? Masdood is blocked. So you say here, we say takes or occupies. How about spell occupies correctly? Occupies, masad, the slot, the place of two maf'uls. So this whole jumla blocks up and takes the place of both maf'uls. Are you following? Correct? That's what you say here. So sometimes a verb needs two maf'uls, but the whole jumla, sadda masadda al-maf'ulain, it takes the place of what? Both maf'uls. Correct? So, yes? Everybody with me? Have you understood that part? So first, yeah? Any questions? No, everybody okay? Yeah, okay. So that's the first, we've done the maf'ul of yaraw. Okay? The next thing we want to have a look at here is come. So we've done the yaraw, so we're going to leave that part out now. Yes? The next thing we're looking at here now is come. What are we looking at? Come. What are we looking at? Come. What does come become? What does come become? It becomes what? Remember, it becomes the maf'ul bihi. Because it's really ahlakna kam. So how many we destroyed. So this kam becomes what? The maf'ulun bihi. Because remember the rule is, even in English, if I say for example, you went where? Is that correct? You went where? What do you have to say? Where? Why? This is called sadrul kalam. What does sadr mean? The chest also means the beginning. So even in English, I can't say, you sat why? I have to say, why did you sat? Because the istifham in English and Arabic must have sadrul kalam. What must it have? Sadrul kalam. It must come at the beginning of the sentence. Where must it come? At the beginning of the sentence. So because come comes at the beginning of a sentence, wherever come comes, it will always come at the beginning. Kam, man, ma, limada, but it's maf'ul bihi. Why? Because lahu sadrul kalam. It must have the sadr of the kalam. It must come at the beginning. Correct? Yes? Then ahlakna becomes what now? What's ahlakna becoming? Ahlakna? It's not a strict question. Yeah, therefore it is what? Fa'lan? Fa'al fine. Min qablihim. What's min qablihim becoming? It's muta'alliq, jar, majrur, muta'alliq. Remember I told you all muta'alliqs have a i'rab mahalli. So where is it mahallan? Maf'ul fi. So it is muta'alliq, it's jar, majrur. But what meaning does that give? Maf'ul fi, because when? So this become what? It's a jar, majrur. The jar, majrur, muta'alliqa, whatever. Fi mahallin nasb maf'ulun fi. Correct? So far so good? What's min qarnin? Min qarnin?
That'll be jar and majrur. But and it'll be.
It's jar majrur. What is it? This is This min qarnin is what? The tamyiz of the kam. That's why how many nations, how many generations? Do you understand? So this is also what? Fi mahallin nasbi. Why? Tamyiz of the kam ahlakna. Do you understand? There's also fi mahallin nas, tamyiz of kam. Why? Yeah, I'm just explaining. I'm not really doing like Turkey or Arab. Just explaining the ayah. Yeah, just explaining it. Okay, I'm not doing like Turkey. I'm just explaining the ayah because, yeah, I don't really have time to go through every single thing. All the basic stuff you know already because you've done all that basics in the previous course. Okay, correct. And then this sentence becomes what? Makkannahu fil ard ma lam numakkin lakum. What does that become? That jumla.
Is that the hal of min qarnin?
Why is it hal of min qarnin? It's a nakira word, not ma'rifah word, so it becomes the sifa, the nat. It becomes the nat. That becomes what? The nat. So how many nations? So how many nations? Have they not seen? How many nations? And then this is a nat. Makkannahu fil ardi ma lam numakkin lakum is a nat of the qarn. You get it? That's a nat of the qarn. And the whole jumla becomes the sifa or the nat of the qarn, which is in the tamyiz of the tamyiz, ghayr sari or tamyiz fi mahallin nas of kam. Whenever I say, you get it? And this kam is what? Khbariya. We did that before as well. Kam, khbariya. For? Not to ask a question, but rhetorical. Everybody with me? Yes? Any questions? No? Okay. And then now, how you break this jumla down now? So this is, the jumla is what? Makanna.
مكنة فعل فاعل.
This is فعل فاعل. Whom is? مفعول به في الأرض متعلق. And then we have that. That's the question now. Okay. Okay. Now makkana. What does makkana have? It needs to have two maf'ul, doesn't it? To give somebody. So makkana is to give life, give space. Okay. So this ma becomes what? This will become the maf'ul bihi. مفعول به ثاني. What does that معنى ممكن become? مفعول به ثاني. Because makan means to give something, right? Give makan. So you have to give somebody something. So مكناهم في الأرض. You can't suffice with one مفعول به because the context, the word مكنا has a kind of a مفعول meaning built in to give makan anyways. But you can explicitly mention that. So for example, let me give an example of that. For example, razaqa. If I say razaqa, if I say razaqahumullah, Allah provided them. The word razaqa automatically gives you meaning provided what? You automatically understand from the word rizq. But if you want, you can say razaqahumullah rizqan hasanan and mention maf'ul bihi explicitly. So some words you can bring the maf'ul bihi thani, or sometimes the fa'l's meaning is such that it gives you the meaning of the maf'ul bihi thani without mentioning it directly. So some places there's no maf'ul bihi thani of makanna. Here there is. Okay?
مفعول مطلق I don't know why.
ما لم نمكن. مفعول مطلق has to be a thing in it, مفعول مصدر in it.
No.
In meaning.
No. مفعول مطلق محذوف unless it's صفة.
No. It won't be like that. Okay? You with me so far? What does ma become? We say ma nakira mawsufa. What does nakira mawsufa mean? We already mentioned this in Nuktul Irab. Okay? That it means shay'an or something like shay'an. Okay? You want after alarm? Okay? So we gave them what? We gave them ma, such authority. So shay'an means authority. Makkannahu fil ard. We gave them what? Ma. Or what kind of ma? What kind of authority? So this ma has authority or thing. And that is this lam numakkin lakum is the what? The not of the ma. Okay? Huh? Yes? Is it complicated? Okay, so let's go back over again. So alam yaraw, we did that, that's simple. Yaraw has two maf'uls. The whole sentence becomes what? Sadda masadda al-maf'ulain. Okay? Kam is maf'ul bihi because the maf'ul bihi of ahlakna. Yes? Min qablihim is jar majroor wa fi mahall nas because it shows the place of ahlakna, not the place, the time of ahlakna. Min qarn is a tamyiz of kam, but it comes with a jar majroor, so fi mahall nas with tamyiz. And then the majroor here, this is becoming the man'ud, and that comes the na'at. Then makkannahum fil ard is a na'at of the qarn. And then makkana fa'il fa'il maf'ul fi. Fil ard muta'alliq ba fi mahall nas maf'ul fi. Yes, because the fil ard is muta'alliq ba fi mahall nas. It's also مفعول به مفعول فيه غير صريح. Okay? This is مفعول به ثاني. It's ما لم نمكن. And this ma is in nakira mawsufa, meaning such or such a thing. So we gave them such authority, such power. لم نمكن لهم, which we did not give to you. Okay? And that's nakira, that's an meaning, that's an ism. So therefore the word after it is going to be the nat. That's a man'ud. And it becomes a nat, and that's fa'il fa'il muta'alliq, whatever. Have you understood? Okay. Hope you've understood. If you've got any questions, have a look at it again. Watch it again. If you don't understand, or have any questions, then ask me again tomorrow, inshallah.
Previous slide, can you put a screenshot?
This one? Yeah. Okay. سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.